Do you ever wish your cover gave you quick access to your truck bed just behind the cab? Then you should know about the Deuce 2 from TruXedo. The Deuce 2 is a premium low-profile roll-up cover, but it has the added ability to quickly fold the front 30 inches of the cover back so you can grab gear from the front of your truck bed. To do that, just pull one of the hidden latches from either side of the bed and rotate the panel over. If you want added security to the hidden latches, they've incorporated an optional lock to disable them. From here, closing the cover is as simple as folding it forward, where it will automatically latch into place. The Deuce 2 also acts like a traditional roll-up cover. The industrial quality leather grain vinyl sits only 3/4 of an inch above your bed caps and seals on all 4 sides to help keep the elements away from your cargo. To open your cover from the back, just lower your tailgate and pull the trigger latch on the driver's side. Then simply roll the cover towards the cab. All load bars that support the cover will roll up with a tarp and quickly give you full access to the bed of your truck, making room for taller cargo. Here it can be secured with the included straps if you want to drive with the cover open. Closing the cover is as easy as rolling it back and latching it to the tailgate, and the spring-loaded tension controls automatically keep the cover nice and tight all year round. The TruXedo Deuce 2 is proudly made in America and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. We ship it for free to the lower 48 states, so if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.